Okay, we are here in Hong Kong in the Ritz-Carlton hotel with Peter Carson, and we are going to explain a very new product. Is the Qualcomm launching? It's a 5G product. Okay, Peter, can you explain me something about it?
Well, this is the world's first gigabit class LTE system, commercialized in conjunction with our partners Ericsson and Netgear, and first being launched in Australia on the Telstra network. What we have here is the world's first 4G LTE device that can reach gigabit class speeds. This is an actual live demo that we set up in the last couple of days here with Ericsson's radio base station equipment behind this wall connected to this mobile router device. And this offers users up to 1 gigabit speeds on a 4G network. And in this case, we're actually showing the results of the test, the speeds, reaching, in this case, 979 megabits per second. This test monitor. What you can do with these kinds of speeds is you can now stream VR in 360 degrees, just like you could on a wired broadband connection, but without the wires. You can download movies in seconds, gigabyte type files in minutes, and stream cloud services as fast as they are stored on your device. So in other words, we're reaching average throughputs with this capability of 100 plus megabits per second, average user speeds that will approach the read speeds of local storage on your phone. So this will make cloud services feel like they're local on your phone when you're accessing content in the cloud. And this will also enable instant apps and other experiences that users can't get on today's 4G networks. And so we believe this is going to be a critical foundation to the launch of 5G, which is coming really soon.
Yes, I've said that it's 4G, but it's not. But we have another product that we can see here, but have been launching today, that is
5G. So we also announced the Snapdragon X50 platform, which is the first announced 5G product for mobile devices and fixed residential broadband devices. But in mobile case, we believe this 4G LTE gigabit solution is going to be a critical part of any 5G solution in a mobile device, because you'll be able to get gigabit LTE in a very wide area of coverage, and 5G speeds may be available in certain areas of coverage. And the early 5G mobile devices will simultaneously connect to the 4G LTE networks as well as the 5G network, so you'll always get that very wide 4G coverage. You'll have very seamless service that way. So that's why we believe this is a really important stepping stone to 5G, having gigabit class LTE capability.
Okay, when are we going to have products in the market?
This product is now commercial. So this is the world's first mobile router. Let me show you the device. This is a Netgear device that has our Snapdragon X16 LTE modem. It's the world's first 4G device that can reach a gigabit speed connection. And this will be available in commercial quantities in the Australia market initially, and then we expect many other launches in the first half of 2017. And in smartphones as well. We also announced that this will be in the next generation Snapdragon 800 tier chipset.
That so we are going to have in?
And the first half of 2017, you'll see smartphones with this capability. And we have other operators that are doing launches in the first half of 17. And in the second half of 17, it gets more exciting because operators that don't have enough radio spectrum will be able to utilize the unlicensed band that's currently utilized by Wi-Fi to expand their 4G capability to reach gigabit speeds. That means almost every operator in the world in the second half of 17 will have this chipset used in both licensed and unlicensed spectrum for 4G and enable gigabit speeds almost in every network around the world. So this we think is going to be the most interesting opportunity for carriers everywhere, in emerging markets, even developing countries around the world.
Thank you very much.